ទាំងនេះគឺជា containers នៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសដែលសិស្សគ្រប់គ្នាគួរតែដឹងទី1 a can of Coca-Cola a can of Coca-Cola Coca-Cola មួយកំប៉ុងឧទាហរណ៍ I want to buy a can of Coca-Cola ខ្ញុំចង់ទិញ Coca-Cola មួយកំប៉ុង Number 2 a bottle of water a bottle of water ទឹកមួយដបឧទាហរណ៍ I want to buy 2 bottles of water I want to buy 2 bottles of water ខ្ញុំចង់ទិញទឹកពីរដប Number 3 a glass of water a glass of water ទឹកមួយកែវ Can I have a glass of water តើខ្ញុំអាចសុំទឹកមួយកែវបានទេ Okay Number 4 a carton of juice a carton of juice ឬក៏ a carton of milk a carton of milk ទៅដោះគោមួយកញ្ចប់ Can I have a carton of milk តើខ្ញុំអាចសុំទៅដោះគោមួយកញ្ចប់បានទេ Okay ហើយចុះបើនំមួយកញ្ចប់វិញហើយយើងនិយាយមិនទៅភាសាអង់គ្លេសយើងអាចនិយាយបានថា a packet of biscuits a packet of biscuits នំមួយកញ្ចប់ I want to buy a packet of biscuits Okay here's the end of the video lessons for today thank you for watching and see you later please have a beautiful day thank you bye bye